Hi everyone! Today, for the first time, we're going to be trying out a yarn ball winder and umbrella swift winder. I bought this in Amazon for $41.99. The brand is by LAMXD Technology Co. Limited. A yarn winder makes your yarn into a ball. This is called a cake yarn.
And some yarns come in hanks like this. And this is how it looks like on wound.
If you try to use the yarn like this, it could become very tangled up. So we're going to have to make it into a ball or a cake ball. So let's just get into it. Let's open it up. Again, this is my first time using a yarn winder, so I'm not sure of the technical terms of the little pieces here. This is the umbrella where you put the yarn, and this is how you spin your yarn. You crank it. You're going to put this on here, turn it to lock it in place. Just like that. This is not broken. This is how it comes. This is where your ball is going to go. Your cake, your yarn cake. Let's see the directions and I will be right back. The first thing we have to do is we have to lock this wire arm, and we're going to turn it to the left. In here it has a bump. You have to lock it in. It will make a noise just like that. Now it's secured. And the next steps were to put the bobbin to the machine. We already did that. And now the umbrella, which is this, and it opens up like an umbrella. You have to move the metal piece a little bit upwards, and that will unlock it. So upwards, and then you open it up. And to lock it, you just let it go. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see how it looks like. This is a full view of the umbrella. I'm going to clamp both of the pieces on my table. You put this between the table and here. The way that you lock it is you move this little piece right here. This is loosening it, and this is closing it.
From now until 9 minutes and 19 seconds of the video, I'm going to make it silent because there is construction going on and it's very noisy. But I'm going to put the instructions on screen while I'm doing the steps. Please ignore the background of our living room. So if your hank doesn't fit on your umbrella, you can easily open it and close it like I'm doing here. This is the switch. You just press it down and then you move it up.
Now for my favorite part, we pull this up and then here we go. How awesome! And this is how our balls of yarn look like. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites